What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be changing out my side indicator lights with these nice smoked effect ones. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the side light lens, and as you can see it's full of water and looks very dirty. Firstly, turn the wheels outwards. Then you can take a pry bar and pry the wheel arch liner up. It is tight, but you can reach up and press on the tab that holds it in. Twist and pull off. Wow, she's almost as wet as your mum. It's a great time to give that area a clean up. New bulbs, because why not? Preventive maintenance and all that. Should probably test them to make sure they work too. Here is the new lens. Now because they are eBay specials, I did have to slightly drill out the hole a bit, as they were a very tight fit. You can then simply push them back on. Then simply click into place . And these look absolutely sick. They really look good with the car. So there we go guys, new indicator things are in, and they looked really nice. Little bit of a max power mod that I think. They work, they're effective, they look a hell of a lot better than these with all this algae. This was filling up and it's got a crack along here, so you can see where the water was getting in and sort of sitting on the bottom there. So yeah, these look a hell of a lot better, and I'm really pleased with how they make the whole car look. So guys, hope you found the video good and interesting and fun. Little mod, do it yourself. These can be picked up for like 20 quid I think, off like eBay and stuff. May, like I've done, have to do a little bit of a modification, but what eBay parts don't you? That's the whole fun of modifying a car. As always guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share it around, subscribe to the channel if you're not already to see more content like this, and I will see you in my next video guys. Thanks for watching.